5G technology refer to fifth generation of mobile network technology developed by the Chinese telecommunication compare Huawei 5G respect pass significant leap forward in terms of speed, capacity and connectivity compared to its procedure, such as 4G. Here are some key accepted of Huawei 5G technology. 5G offers significance faster. 5G offers significantly faster data transfer speed compared to previous generation. It is designed to provide download speed of up to 10 per second and upload speed up to 1 gigabits per second. The increased speed allowed for quicker data downloaders, the seamless stream of high definition content, and improved overall network performance. 5G technology aim to reduce latency. The delay between sending and receiving data. Low latency is crucial for applications that require real-time responsiveness, such as online gaming, virtual reality, and vehicles. Huawei 5G technology aim to achieve ultra-low latency, potentially as low as 1 millisecond or even low. 5G network can support a significantly large number of connectivity devices per square kilometer compared to 5G. This increased capacity is essential for the growing number of Internet of Things devices and the demo for more connected series. Huawei 5G technology employs advanced antenna technologies such as message multiply input multiply output to enhance network capacity and coverage. One of the innovation features of the 5G is network ceiling, which allow the network to be dividing into multiple vehicles network to meet to specific requirement of different applications. This enable customize and optimization of the network for device use cases for industrial application to consumer series. Huawei places strong on the society of its 5G technology. The company implements advanced protocol and society feature of protect user data and ensure the intelligence of the network. Huawei provide a comprehensive 5G infrastructures include basic station, antenna and core network equipment. This company has been actively involved in the development of 5G network globally, working the telecommunication operators to roll out 5G series. It is important to note while Huawei is a major player in the development of 5G technology, there have been convey received to some countries regarding the security of Huawei equipments, leading to restriction and debates about its involvement in certain national 5G networks. The geopotential and society accept of Huawei 5G technology have been subject of ongoing decision and evolution in various parts of the world. 5G technology aims to reduce latency. The delay between sending and receiving data. Low latency is crucial for the application. The required real-time responsiveness, such as online gaming, virtual reality, and autonomous vehicles. Huawei 5G technology aims to achieve ultra-low latency, potentially as low as 1 millisecond or even lower. 5G network can support and significantly large number of connected devices per square kilometer compared to 4G. This increased capacity is essential for the growing number of Internet of Things. Device of the demo for more connected series. Huawei 5G technology employs advanced antenna technologies such as massive multiply input multiply output to enhance network capacity and covers. One of the innovation features of 5G is network ceiling, which allow the network totally dividing into multiple virtual network. To meet the specific requirement of different applications, the enable customize of optimization of the network for device use goes for industrial application to series. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.